You strike a golf ball at 29.1 meters per second towards a green that is raised up 7.5 meters. Will the ball land on the green? You can use projectile physics to work it out.
The ball initially travels with a velocity of 29.1 meters per second. The distance to the green is about 70 meters. Is it possible for the ball to land on the green given a flight time of 3.5 seconds? The about 70 meters is a big hint to us that we need to find how far the ball will travel in 3.5 seconds in the x direction. To do this, we need to know the component of velocity in the x direction, and to get that we have to have a value for theta. And to get theta, we can use the data we have in the vertical direction along with the time of flight. We'll assign the positive direction to being upwards, meaning little g is going to be negative. If we set this angle here to theta as per usual, we can see that the vertical component of the velocity is simply going to be 29.1 sine theta.
Perhaps at this point a quick video on taking vector components might be useful.
Now it's just a question of putting the values into s equals ut plus a half at squared. We can then solve this for theta, giving us an answer of theta is about 41.5 degrees. We can now work out the horizontal component of velocity, which will be 29.1 cosine 41.5 degrees, which comes out at around about 21.8 meters per second. And so we can work out that the distance covered in the x direction by the ball in 3.5 seconds is around about 76 meters.
We were initially asked will the ball land on the green and told that the green was about 70 meters. Now that we've worked out the range of the ball, we have to answer the question. And it's at this point that you have to make a value judgment. Some people might think that, well, 76 meters is about the same as 70. Others will think, no, that's nearly 10% bigger, it's way bigger. As long as you can make a coherent statement, yes, the ball will land on the green because, no, it won't because, then you're fine, you'll get the mark. This video on vectors will certainly help you explain to your baby brother or sister or cousin why it's so hard to climb upstairs at bedtime.